Great job out there, Ethan, as always.
Loose connector, thermal cycling. We should flag it for the next inspection cycle.
Already logged it. You hungry?
Not yet.
You okay?
Yeah, I am good.
Get some rest. I have the watch.
Yeah, 5 years.
Yeah.
What do you think she is doing right now?
Same thing she has been doing. Waiting for you.
She never liked waiting.
Get some rest.
Elena.
The video you just saw, that's not stock footage. That's not something I hired an editor for. That came from a prompt I typed into a browser tab, and the AI didn't just generate it once and leave me to figure out the rest. It actually helped me get there, using the most powerful AI video model Seedance 2, and it's got something most AI video tools don't have, a creative partner inside the platform called Zumi that works alongside you while you build. And stick around till the end. I've got a giveaway for you too. AZ8 is giving away 3 free professional accounts to people watching this video. I'll explain exactly how to enter at the end. So, pay very close attention, and now without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. Now let's get into the platform itself. This is the AZ8 Canvas homepage. Clean, simple, and if you are more comfortable in another language, AZ8 supports that easily. The language switcher is right here in the lower left corner. One click, and the entire interface adjusts. Small detail, but it matters if you are creating content for a non-English audience, which, by the way, tends to perform really well because it feels more personal to that audience. Now let's create something. Click on this new project and then you will land on this interface. You can see here you have all those options available that will help you in creating your full cinematic story. So first let's generate our character of the story. Click on this image option, and then a box will appear in front of you. Click on it and you will able to enter a prompt. Let's paste our prompt in this box. I will provide all the prompts in my description. And then from here you can choose the image model. You get all the top image models inside this platform. Let's select GPT Image 2. And from here you can select the ratio, resolution and quality of the image. And after selecting everything, let's click on Generate. As you can see, it created our character image perfectly. Let's just generate all the images using the same method. And look at this, I have created all the characters' images perfectly, and you can see it gave us really high quality results. Okay, now let's generate the scene-wise images. It's all the same method. Click on this image inserting option and the box will appear, and then let's enter the prompt in it. The model and the settings are already set. Now let's just click on Generate. And here we go, we have our first scene image prompt. Look, it has the consistent quality and feel. It generated the absolute higher quality result. Now we need to convert the images into video. For that, click on this video option here, and then a new box will appear by which you can create videos cinematically. Now our first scene consists of our 2 characters, Marcus and Ethan. So I will connect these 2 character nodes with our video box. And also I want to convert this image into video, so let's connect this too. Then let's paste our prompt. And now from here you can select the AI model. You have several of top tier video models available, but look, we have the most powerful model Seedance 2 fast. So, let's select this one, and then we have our settings. Set the duration to 15 seconds and the aspect ratio to the 16:9 and the quality. And here, don't forget to turn on the generate audio option. Otherwise you will not have audio in your video. Now I will not just click on the generate button. Here is now where Zumi comes in. I will click on this inspiration option and I'm going to select find reference here, and see Zumi is now generating some inspiration styles for us. And we can apply any of it. So let's apply this one and now click on generate. And look, here is our, let's see how it comes out.
Ethan, confirm position. You are at the satellite?
Confirmed. I am at the east array running the panel check now.
Copy that. What are you seeing?
Status indicators reading normal on the solar array. Antennae mount looks clean. Moving to the data port panel.
Take your time. We have a 4-hour window.
4 hours.
As you can see, it's so good, the quality is just too massive and the character are consistent in the entire video. Now we just need to follow the same method to generate our all scene, first images, and then turn them into videos while connecting the nodes according to the scene. And look, I have created my all the scene sequentially. And all the scene are in high quality with consistent characters. Let's see the overall result and check how it turned out.
Ethan, confirm position. You are at the satellite?
Confirmed. I am at the east array running the panel check now.
Copy that. What are you seeing?
Status indicators reading normal on the solar array. Antennae mount looks clean. Moving to the data port panel.
Take your time. We have a 4-hour window.
4 hours. Found it.
What are we looking at?
Data cable on the primary upland port. Can you reseed it? There.
Ethan, I am reading a clean signal on the upland.
Good.
Nodded. Good work.
Coming.
Great job out there, Ethan. As always.
Loose connector. Thermal cycling. We should flag it for the next inspection cycle.
Already logged it. You hungry?
Not yet.
You okay?
Yeah, I am good.
Get some rest. I have the watch.
Yeah, 5 years.
Yeah.
What do you think she is doing right now?
Same thing she has been doing. Waiting for you.
She never liked waiting.
Get some rest.
Elena. Elena.
Hi.
You are here.
I am always here.
I am sorry it has been so long.
Do not apologize. You are doing what you are supposed to do.
I miss you every day.
I know. I count them too.
How much longer?
Not long now. Come home, Ethan. Just come home.
I will. I promise.
Ethan.
Go. They need you.
Not yet.
Come home, Ethan. Just come home.
Ethan, wake up!
Hey, you with me?
Yeah, I am here.
You were out. Said her name.
Yeah.
Not long now, brother. 212 days.
I am coming, Elena.
Wow, that was insanely awesome. The quality, the movements are so perfect and the character consistency across all scenes is also perfect. Now here's the second Zumi feature, content scoring. Once you've generated a clip, Zumi can actually evaluate it for you and tell you what's working and what isn't. Look at this. Zumi just scored my generation and broke down specific feedback. It's pointing out things like composition, motion consistency, and how well the result matches the original creative intent. This is genuinely useful, especially if you are newer to AI video generation and don't yet have the trained eye to spot what's slightly off. Zumi essentially gives you a second pair of eyes, like having a creative director review your work before you commit to a final cut. If the score flags something, you can go back, adjust the prompt, and regenerate, all without leaving the workspace. The last Zumi feature is one you unlock once you've generated 5 or more videos in a project, and it might be my favorite, Brainstorm. Once I click into Brainstorm, Zumi looks at everything I've built so far, the story, the visual style, the pacing, and suggests where the content could go next. This is huge if you are building something longer, a short film, a brand campaign, a multi-part series. Instead of staring at a blank prompt box wondering what comes next, Zumi is actively thinking alongside you about narrative direction. This is the part that made me call it a secret weapon. It's not just a generator. It's a creative partner that grows with the project. Zumi isn't a static AI tool you prompt and walk away from. It continuously understands the project you are building and steps in at key moments, optimizing your prompts, scoring your generated content, and even brainstorming story direction with you. It feels less like using software and more like working with a creative collaborator. AZ8 has set aside a full $1 million creator fund. If you apply and get approved, you can receive up to $300 in free creation credits to start building with zero cost. I'll drop that link below. If you go with the AZ8 Studio annual plan, you get a 60% discount, and a 10-second 720p Seedance 2.0 video costs you about $1.20. For comparison, similar generations cost around $1.32 on OpenArt and $1.48 on Higgsfield. And now, here's that giveaway I promised at the start. AZ8 is giving away 3 free professional accounts to people watching this video. Here's exactly how to enter. Step 1. Register a free account at az8.art. The link is in the description. Step 2. Leave a comment on this video telling AZ8 what you like about the platform so far, and what you'd want to see improved. That's it. 2 steps. We'll be checking the comments, so make sure you actually register and leave real feedback. That's how you get entered. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.